Hello there. Let's 3D print a colonnade while we learn 3D printing for complete beginners. Let's do this. Okay, so first we need to have opened our software of Bambu Studio. Then we click on Add. Then we find the number 3 STL that we provided, open, and a kind of table with structures will appear. This is our colonnade. Then we go to Prepare, Process, and Others. And then we search for brim. Brim type, outer brim only, and then we slice. Then we can see what is the brim about. We already seen a little bit in the foundations course, but in this case, we are gonna tell how important is it. I'm gonna tell you that this helps the addition of the structure to the plate. Sometimes these columns can be really thin, and this can affect because the movement of the nozzle in the printing can affect and even can take out elements. So the brim is to help it to be correctly placed, correctly attached to the plate. Then we can see this works well, but we can modify a little bit. Maybe it can be not 5, but 3 millimeters. I think that can work as well. We press enter and then we slice it again. And we can check with the layer that the first layer is correctly placed. And well, we can just click on print plate. We can verify we have our printer or PLA. I'm going to point a time lapse here and the output, and I'm going to send it. They will take us to the device tab, and we can see that it is starting to configure, download, and heat the elements of the 3D printer. You can check here the estimated time, how much time is left, the layer that it's printing at the moment, and the temperature of the elements. Here we can see the time lapse of the element. We can see how the brim helps us to attach the columns over the plate, and with the movement, the element isn't taken out by the printer. And that's it. We have printed a colonnade with the help of brim. Let's see the next and last class.